Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for this video. Today I'm flipping through the May section in my planner, all of my completed spreads. Also a spread that I created for my patrons. Well, I created a video showing how I made my currently page. Those are exclusive over on my Patreon. So I'm going to show you my currently page, which is a little memory keeping that I do in my planner. And I'm going to show you all the after the pens of my month of May. And I'm going to go over all the sticker books. So if you need a little refresh on the sticker books that I use, I'm going to go over the sticker books that I used. And then I'm going to also just get little details. It's going to be a little chatty, this video. It's not just going to be literally flipping through. And then I'm going to pick my favorite spread from May. Okay, so let's get into the May section of my planner. And if you haven't already, check out the other videos where I flip through the rest of the months. I've been pretty good about doing this year. One of my goals is to do these videos because I've been really bad in previous years, and I'm very happy that I've been keeping on track with it. Okay, so this is my currently page. I did a little memory keeping. Like I said, this I did film, but for my patrons, it's an exclusive video over there. But I took some pictures of different things that happened in May. It was actually a big month for May. We had my mom's graduation. She got her master's, so super proud of her on that. And then my niece had her confirmation, so I want to document that there. And then we celebrated Mother's Day. So I had 3 events that I wanted to, really pile in on this. I like to keep a little snapshot of important things that happen in May, at least on this sheet here, because it's a small little sheet. So I do try to keep it, within this area and not add anything like little doors or anything like that flap open to add more. I could, but I'm trying to keep it just all on this one page. But I really love how this turned out. I've been having fun with using different papers and layering and all that kind of stuff. So that is my May currently. And like I said, I'm super proud of myself because I've been keeping up with all of my currently pages. They're all done, which I haven't done this in years. So I'm super proud of myself that I've been keeping up with it. Okay, now let's get into my spreads. So my monthly spread, if you watch my monthly plan with me video, this usually looks the same from when I film it, because I do write in the planner in that video, except for I did write this stuff in after the fact. But more or less, this kind of stays the same as in the video. But this is my spread. I used the new Peanut sticker book. This was from the teacher release. It's really cute. It has really cool decorative stickers in here. I love the decorative stickers in here. And I don't know, I just really like it. It was a big sticker book too, which that was a little challenging just using this book, because I did use boxes from this sticker book because this is a classic size. So obviously they didn't fit, but I actually like the look of them kind of hanging out of the boxes and slanted and that kind of thing. It works. Even though they're not sized for a classic, it still works. But yeah, this one was a lot of fun. I love the big quotes too, the big images with the quotes. So that was Peanuts. I don't know if this one's still available anymore, but I'm going to link all the books, and if it's out of stock or not, the site will let you know. But that was the Peanuts sticker book. Okay, then the next week, this week was a Disney week for me. I try to go to Disney at least twice a month. I have a pass to Disneyland here in California. And this week I did go to Disney. I went with 2 friends actually. So I thought this theme was a cute one because I was going with some friends. And I used the Minnie and Daisy varsity sticker book. This is another new sticker book from the Happy Planner that they just came out with in the back to school release. So another big sticker book. Again, doesn't fit perfectly, but it works. I actually am liking the way this layered these big boxes, even though it doesn't fit, how it all layered together. It's really pretty, and I love pink and green, so I really like how this one turned out, and all of the different like argyle patterns and plaid and all of those different fun patterns mixed in. Really cute theme. So that is the Minnie and Daisy varsity sticker book. Okay, this was a fun week because I went to go see Harry Potter and the Sorcerer's Stone, which I've seen a million times, but I got to see it in a different way, in this like very immersive way. We went to a theater in LA, well, in Inglewood, out there in LA, and it was really, really cool experience. So yeah, it was like this, it was like surrounding you. It was amazing. It was a lot of fun. So I went with my family on the weekend, so that because of that I wanted to decorate my spread using Harry Potter stickers, and thankfully Happy Planner has tons of Harry Potter stickers now. So this was another book I hadn't used in a bit. It's not super new, it came out last year, but this is Enchanted Grounds, and I love how this turned out. This is so pretty. I love all the artwork, the style of the artwork. I feel like this book really gives me a lot of Harry Potter vibes, because some of the other ones, they're Harry Potter obviously, but this one feels a little bit more magical, the artwork in this one. And I love all the decorative stickers. So I had fun decorating this one. Oh, I got sick this week, I forgot about that, but I did write this in. I got sick for a couple days. Thankfully I got better by the time this came around. Oh, also I wanted to mention that one thing that I do in my planner, I like to put mild liner in. I'll find like a mild liner color that matches the theme of the spread, and I'll go in and fill in like areas that are empty, because I don't know, I just like it filled in a little bit more. So I did that here with some pink mild liner, and then here with some blue mild liner. But yeah, that is my Harry Potter theme spread. I really like how that one turned out. Okay, this one, I remember when I was making this plan with me video, if you didn't watch it, I struggled with this spread. I used the Pastel Poetry sticker book. I thought this was going to be so cute, and then when I was doing it, it was just not, I was not feeling it. It's really pretty. I love all the little scallop boxes, the bows. I love these little butterflies, all the line art type of stickers, but it felt kind of boring for me. So I ended up bringing in the squad goals to help me save this spread, because I just did not like it. And thankfully adding, you know, some of the girls on the spread helped. It's not my favorite, but so this definitely isn't going to be my favorite spread. But after I wrote in it and, you know, add the mild liner and all that, I think it looks nice. But yeah, this was a combo of Pastel Poetry and then Squad Goals sticker book. These two books together to make this spread. This one was actually a lot better than I thought it was going to turn out when I had this as an option. Oh, actually, this was the spread that people got to vote on. So I gave three or four options. I forgot how many sticker books. I do this usually in my setup videos, where I'll ask the viewers in the comment section to vote on a sticker book or a theme that I should do for one of the weeks in my planner. So this was a voted spread, and Country Charm was the one chosen, this sticker book right here. When I first saw this sticker book, it's really not my vibe. I do like the butterflies, but the country, this color scheme, I don't know. I didn't think I was gonna like it, and I actually like this spread a lot more than I thought I was gonna like it. So it turned out really pretty, all the florals, and of course the butterflies, love those. I really like the washi, I think that was cute, and all the pattern boxes. It's really pretty book. It's a really pretty sticker book. So yeah, that was Country Charm. Okay, and that was it. So those were all my spreads. We have my currently page, and then my monthly page. Here's the next week, second week, third week, and fourth. Oh, there's 5 weeks in this one. 1, 2, 3. Oh, there's 4 weeks. I just miscounted. I was counting the monthly. But yeah, 4 weeks worth of spreads, all very different. I always like to have different themes. Like, see, this one goes like pink and green, and then we got this more moody kind of one, and then you got pink again, and then pretty flowers. Different themes on each week, just to keep it a little bit more interesting. Okay, so when it comes to my favorite, I have to say that I think the Harry Potter week spread, this one definitely is my favorite spread from May. But let me know which one's your favorite, because I like to see that in the comments. But yeah, that was a fun one. But that is gonna be it. That is my flip through of my May section in my planner. I hope you all enjoyed watching. Again, if you want to see the video of how I created this, it's on my Patreon. If you're one of my patrons, you have access to that. But that's gonna be it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed watching. I'll have all these books linked down in the description, so if you want to check them out, definitely do. I just realized I used only Happy Planner sticker books. Wow, I try to mix it up. I guess this week I decided only Happy Planner sticker books. But that's it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed watching. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see more, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.